Hi, here we have arithmetic mean of x, y and z is 80. So arithmetic mean is 80, that means the sum of x, y and z should be 80 into 3, which is 240. Average of three numbers is 80, so their sum will be 3 times of their average, 240. Let's say this is the first equation. Next, and that of x, y, z, u and v is 75. So the average of these 5 numbers x, y, z, u and v is 75. So the sum will be 75 into 5. 75 into 5 is 375. This is the second equation. Now from these two equations, if we subtract these two equations, or instead of x plus y plus z, we know this is 240. So u plus v comes out to be 375 minus 240, which is 135. Okay. And now we know u is equal to x plus y by 2 and v is equal to y plus z by 2. Right. So let's substitute this here. U is equal to x plus y by 2 and v is equal to y plus z by 2. This is equal to 135. So multiplying with 2, we have x plus y plus y plus z is equal to twice of 135, which is 270. So we have x plus 2y plus z is equal to 270, and we know x plus y plus z is 240, right? So x plus y plus z plus y, 2y is written as y plus y, so this is 240 and sum of all this is 270. Hence, since this is 240, y comes out to be 270 minus 240, which is 30. So y here is equal to 30. Okay. So now if y is equal to 30 and we know x plus y plus z is 240, so x plus z will be 240 minus y, which is 210. We have this. Also, it's given that x is greater than or equal to z. Since x is greater than or equal to z, the maximum value of x will be when x is equal to z, right? So if x is equal to z, we have 2x is equal to 210. Hence the maximum value of x will be minimum value. I meant minimum value, not man. X is greater than or equal to z. So the least value of x is when x is equal to z. The least value of x will be when x is equal to z. So we have x plus x, 2x is 210, so x comes out to be 105. This is the least value of x. Maximum value will be when z is least possible, and least possible value of z can be 0 or negative or whatever. They are not necessarily positive numbers, right? So z can be negative or so on. So we are not bothered about the maximum value, we want minimum value. The minimum value comes out to be 105. Thank you.